Hello and welcome back to the Hornby magazine workshop. In this video we're going to be demonstrating TRS Trains smoke generator fitted Stanier Duchess 462 for double O gauge. Now you've probably seen smoke generators before. We've used quite a few Seuthe smoke generators in our steam locomotives here on Top Liddell, and they all operate with a product called a smoke oil. However, the smoke generator in this locomotive is quite different because all it needs to produce steam is bottled water. The TRS Trains, they're doing custom installations for these smoke generators into locomotives for customers. This one's been installed in a Hornby Duchess, and it features a water filling point inside the firebox, which is filled up with a pipette, and there's a smoke generator underneath the chimney at the front. All that is operated by a Zimo MX645 sound decoder, which means that this locomotive doesn't just generate smoke, it also has a full suite of sound on it as well, plus working lights on the front, so it's a full comprehensive package. One of the advantages of this smoke generator setup is the instant effect of the smoke. Using function 20, as soon as you turn it on using a DCC handset, you get instant steam from the chimney. You can also intensify the smoke effect using function 8 on the Zimo decoder, and that brings much more steam through the chimney as well, increasing that volume. We've really enjoyed putting this locomotive through its paces and finding out how it all works here on the Hornby magazine test track, and TRS Trains, like we say, is doing custom installations for these. So they can be fitted into most locomotives. You need to visit their Facebook page or YouTube channel to find out more. The water tank is quite sizable on this locomotive, so there's plenty of space for 2 pipettes full of water in the tank. That gives quite a nice long run time as well, so you're not going to be constantly filling the locomotive up with fresh material. We found that in action we probably had about 15 to 20 minutes of running time on this before it started to run out of water in the tank. It's then really simple to fill it up. You just take it off the track, tilt the tender to one side, insert the pipette into the back of the boiler, fill it up with water, put it back on the track, turn the sounds back on, turn the smoke back on function 20, and you're back to where you were before. In combination with the Zimo sound decoder, you've got a really quality locomotive here which sounds and looks the part. We hope you've enjoyed this latest video from the Hornby magazine workshop, and you can read more about the TRS Trains smoke generator in the latest issue of Hornby magazine. That's issue 166, our April 2021 issue, which is on sale from March the 4th, 2021. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.